Okay, and the green fruit tastes like green apples. There's a big seed in there. It's safe. Would you like to bite that there and taste it? It's pretty good. Don't crack your teeth on the seed though. It's green apple. Yeah? Now you can give that to another person and a bite.
I'll try it.
This tree, by the way, was the source of the furniture polish called shala.
A little dry.
Okay, because the insects suck the young green leaves and deposit a resin that's really their poopy, and that's what people scrape off and bring to the factory, and that is what is then processed into different
Anybody?
things. And one of the chemicals made out of that resin is the furniture polish called shala. That's why it's very expensive.
So what should I do with this then?
If we teach people how to grow the early, the mid-season, and the late varieties of avocados. Oh, take a bite. You can be harvesting avocado fruit 8 to 10 months out of the year. That's a long season of harvesting. Okay, so unless the critters are really destroying, the fruit, you should leave them there as long as you possibly can, so that it will prolong the harvest a little further. But you see, all avocado fruit, by the way, all avocado fruit has a characteristic. You see, immediately above the fruit, you will find a short, enlarged hump that is very distinct from the thing. And there's a chemical inhibitor being formed in that short hump that will not allow this to soften as long as still attached to the tree. So that knowledge is also going to prolong the harvest. All right. If you like green beans and okra all in one, well, then you can plant the prickly pear cactus. Okay. It's called prickly pear, but the pricklies are very soft. And green beans and okra all in one. You don't like the slime of okra? It's not a good vegetable for you. Right? And in the semi-arid area, we teach people how to plant diversity of crops, not just the monoculture of soybean and corn. 1 year soybean, the other year corn. Soybean, okay. That's how most Midwest farmers are.
Exactly. Yeah.
All right.
So it's polyculture
Yeah.
right here.
If they have biodiversity, not just two things, but many things, and when they have harvested and the people have taken their share, animals their share, or their silage, well, then everything should be turned over to fertilize the soil. Today, it seems like in our civilization, in a world civilization, anytime there's some kind of thing going on that would upset the whole system, well, we turn it a revolution and we give it a color. So at the start of the communism, that was a red revolution. And then when Dr. Borlaug, developed the wheat varieties that would become more productive so that it could feed more people, especially in India and Mexico, well, then that was the green revolution. Okay, so now we're concerned about more food production for more people and trying to save our environment, and they call it the blue revolution. What is the next revolution going to be, and what is going to be
Yellow?
the direction that we're going to have? And predictions are it will be called brown revolution, and it will be such an effort to build up the fertility of the soil, not so much with chemicals, but more of the organic nature, the manure, mulches, green manure, and all those other things that will improve the fertility of the soil, so that even the small farmers, or especially the small farmers, do not need to buy any chemical fertilizer. Okay. That is the hope
Yeah.
of the world. Okay?